It makes a lot of sense to put efforts into turning insights to actions with process mining to deliver against the return on investment promise. Process mining is a tool-based method visualizing how organizations can improve business processes. Enterprises can save time and money by applying process mining as a self-service instead of hiring consultants, analyzing processes the traditional way by interviews, workshops or walkthroughs. But there is a second and even more compelling return on investment opportunity. It's about ROI from data. Everyone is passionate about process mining. Why? Everyone needs it. And results are based on facts. Wouldn't it be great to estimate the process mining ROI on facts before investing in tools? For 30 seconds, let's look at the most brutal facts of our current reality. Before applying process mining tools, no one can determine the potential which lies in business processes. No one. Sometimes, and from proof of concepts, you can get a rough idea on the potential value. But ROI from process mining investments very much depend on data and the way organizations are executing their business processes. We made this capability available to our clients already in 2018. PAF was the first introducing process mining actions for a simple reason. PAFnow is embedded in the most competitive analytics platform, according to Gartner and Forrester, the global leader since more than 10 years. I'm talking Microsoft Power Platform here. Power Platform comes with more than 300 action connectors, offering a wealth of opportunities to directly improve business processes from insights. Lots of large and medium enterprises use Power Platform, Power BI and Power Automate already. Why waiting to turn insights to actions? With PAFnow and Power Platform, start today. If we talk collaboration, it's Teams, SharePoint or Jammer. If we talk combining process mining with project management, it's Asana, Jira or GitHub. If it's about workflow automation, let me mention Microsoft Flow or K2. And if we talk connecting to RPA, let me share Microsoft just launched UI Flows, the new robotic process automation capability in Microsoft Power Automate. And if we are talking how to best action on insights inside applications directly, I would name Workdays, ServiceNow, Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics of course. And SAP of course. The action connector for SAP ECC as well as for SAP S4HANA was announced recently as well.